What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, hi and welcome. My name is Hannah Scott Olson. Happy New Year, happy 2022. This year is going to be filled with joy, happiness, and abundance, especially on my channel. If you haven't yet already subscribed, please do so. Comment below some more video suggestions or comment below your favorite parts of this video. But without further ado, I hope you guys all enjoy my 3 winter fragrances recap of 2021, and let's get started. The very first fragrance that I would love to share with you all today is this one right here. It is La Belle by Jean Paul Gaultier. This one is the 100 ml. It's an iconic fragrance. It is the most beautiful fragrance for winter time. Let's just dive right in. So as you can tell by the bottle, it is the shape of a silhouette body and yada yada, and it is stunning. This is one of the most beautiful, luxurious bottles that I've ever seen. I think it resembles and reflects beautiful femininity, and yeah, it's got some beautiful gold roses on the top there, gold little nozzle on the top as well. It has a beautiful purple liquid. As soon as I finish this, I'm definitely just gonna keep this on my counter, my vanity, because I think it represents femininity and positivity, loving who you are. I don't know, there's just something about the bottle that's just super captivating and very, very unique. And again, this one is the 100 ml. This fragrance is extremely captivating. I have honestly never smelled a fragrance like this before, and I work in beauty, I work in cosmetics, and I'm surrounded by fragrances all day, and this one still always stands out to me, stands out to my customers, and it's definitely something that is a statement. It's like, I am here, I am empowered. This is that fragrance. This is that go-to sexy, seductive, sweet fragrance. Very, very beautiful. It has a lovely blend of green pear, bergamot, and vanilla pod. The vanilla in this is super unique. It's not like a usual typical classic vanilla. This has something totally different, and I don't know, but it's like, ooh, it's just it's a sexy vanilla. This is like, I'm grown, and this is my grown vanilla scent. It is definitely something that I would wear for like a date night, if I had a date night, and it's just a sexy scent. This is one that you can wear to impress yourself, to feel good about yourself, and yeah, this is that. The longevity is a 10 out of 10. I never have to do any touch-ups with this. I only have to spray a teensy little bit. I haven't even gone through like barely anything, but the nozzle spray, it's so effortless. Like, it's a gentle touch and you get so much, it's just vanilla. It's just a good, solid, sexy vanilla. On its own, this is just a very beautiful, elegant fragrance, something that is just a staple in your collection. 10 out of 10, please go and try this in store. Again, this is the 100 ml of La Belle by Jean Paul Gaultier. Okay guys, so I know that I've talked about this next fragrance a lot. However, I'm just really excited to continue to talk about this. If you're new and you haven't watched my fragrance videos in the past, drum roll please. Oh shit, you saw it. Black Opium by Vie Est Belle. I'm pretty much almost done. I love this one. I think it is a staple winter fragrance. The bottle says it all. It's like, I'm here. This is a new year. Such a stunning fragrance. Again, very elegant, but still captivating, still really seductive and sexy and mysterious. It's something that I will always have in my collection. I don't want to get rid of it. I don't want to spray it. I just want to keep it and hold it and hug it forever. Ooh. Yes, that's all I can say. Oh, okay, so this fragrance has vanilla, white flowers, coffee accord, and a few floral notes. It's a super warm, spicy fragrance, something that can still be worn in fall and winter. What can I say? This one is just my favorite. So let's just talk about some of this packaging. It is a beautiful black bottle with glitter all around. So of course I love glitter. It has a really nice kind of orange plum, kind of a little bit different from Jean Paul, but this one is a little bit lighter and a little bit more of an orange hue to it. And it has the black opium writing in the center of the bottle. The cap is just a round one and the nozzle is short, but I still get a very good spray right in the eyes, okay? But again, this one is a stunning fragrance year-round, especially for fall and winter. This fragrance is the 100 ml, and it is the Eau de Parfum. The longevity is quite nice. I would still rate this one about an 8.5 out of 10 for longevity. I do have to touch it up during the day, but I don't mind. If you do care about longevity, I would personally rate this an 8.5 out of 10. Black Opium by YSL, 100 ml Eau de Parfum. As we wrap up today's video, I have one more fragrance for you all. It might just appear in another video coming up in the springtime, but this one here is one that I recently came across within the last 4 months, I would say. And this one here is Vie Est Belle by Lancôme. This one here is elegant, beautiful, sweet winter fragrance. Not too heavy, but still has a very nice base, like timid, shy, but sweet. This one is definitely one that I would wear year round. This one is a really pretty floral sweet scent. So if you do prefer more floral notes, but still something calm and sweet for wintertime, I would definitely recommend this one to you. The notes are pear and blackberry, orange blossom and jasmine accord, and at the heart it has a patchouli essence. The bottle in itself is super beautiful, very elegant. I don't know, there's something about this fragrance that I just can't shake off. It has to be one of my favorite sweet florals. Taking the crystal cap off, that is the spray. Oh Lord, if you really love a sweet floral fragrance, this one is going to be your best friend. Definitely a year-round fragrance. This one here is the 50 ml Eau de Parfum of Vie Est Belle by Lancôme. Thank you guys all so much for watching today's video. I had a really fun time filming it and sharing with you all some of my favorites of winter. Thank you guys again so much. Happy New Year. I wish you all the best and I wish you all well. Stay safe and healthy. And I wish I could just give you guys a great big hug. Bye guys.